So our dearest West Indies will tackle England tomorrow in game 4 of the 5-match ODI series. And any of you out there think this West Indies team have it in them to win even one of these ODI games, I guess the cricket. The only way West Indies can win a match in this series is if England give away a match and England not giving me nothing, because we used to beat them like thief back in the glory days. Anyway, I don't know if you all realize how embarrassing it is that the big 2-time World Cup champions cannot make the top 8 out of 9 full member nations in ODI cricket. It's one of them can't believe moments. This coming like the Football World Cup, and Brazil cannot qualify automatically and have to go play off against New Zealand and Faroe Islands and Papua New Guinea. But you know, sir, as embarrassing as it is that we can't qualify automatically, it can get worse, because the level of ODI cricket being played by the West Indies right now, them cannot bat out 50 overs, them cannot bowl a good length and line, and them cannot take the simplest of catches. ODI cricket is an inconvenience to these West Indies players right now. I'm not sure them can beat Afghanistan and Ireland for the 2 playoff spots. But let us even say them get through the qualifiers. Can they go to the World Cup proper and win a game, much as 2, much as pass the first round? Me not think so. And if them cannot beat nobody, it better them not go to the World Cup. Anyway, them go is embarrassment. Them not qualify automatically is embarrassment. If them go to the qualifiers and the minnows beat them up, is embarrassment. And if them qualify via the qualifiers and go to the main tournament, then we're going to get pure beaten, which is more embarrassment. Right now, me embarrassed by the embarrassment. And if this West Indies team embarrass me one more time, I swear.